What's up guys, with tutorials on here, and this video shows you how to install Android 4.1. Jellybean on your Samsung Galaxy S GT-I9000. So let's start guys. First, make sure that your device is rooted and have installed the clock mode recovery on your device. Then go to settings, wireless and network, go to USB settings and select the master storage as default USB settings right here. Now connect your device to the PC using USB cable on the top right here. Let's select connect USB storage to the PC. Okay guys, now just come to the PC right here. You can download this file, that link in the description below. This is Android 4.1.1 Jellybean in bracket CyanogenMod 10.rar. So after downloading this RAR file, access the file using WinRAR. Password for the RAR file is VIOVO, also rated in description below. So after extracting file, open the extracted folder right here. Here you will get three files. The first is CM10 and second is GApps and third is update CM9. Both files are zip files. So now just copy these three files into your memory card of your device or inbuilt storage of your device right here. Just create a new folder, anything that you want. I'm creating a folder called CM10. Okay. Just right click and paste your files. Okay guys, after copying these three files into your removable disk or memory card of your device, just right click and eject your device from your PC right here. Okay guys, now just come to your device. Now just select the disconnect USB storage from your PC, remove the cable and turn off your device by pressing power key, power off. Okay guys, after turning off your device, just enter your device into the recovery mode by pressing volume up key plus home key. By holding both keys similarly, turn on your device. Okay guys, you have successfully entered into the clock recovery. To use this recovery, to scroll down and up, use your volume rocker keys. To select any option from this menu, just press the home key. To go back, just press the power key. So right now, just zooming on there. First, select the install zip from SD card. I think so. This is the fifth option from top. Just select install zip from SD card. Then select choose zip from SD card. Second option. Then open the folder that we created in the PC, CM10 right here. And then select the file update cm9.zip. Again, I'm zooming on there. So be careful to selecting this file. So update cm9. Select the update cm9 file. Then select install update cm9. Okay guys, your device will be rebooted in the new clock mode recovery. Okay guys, after installing the CM9, you will get this screen on here. This is a boot animation of CyanogenMod, and here takes the CyanogenMod 9. Just remove your back cover and remove your battery, or you can wait completely boot and then turn off your device. I'm just removing my battery to turn off my device. Installing back cover, installing battery, and now enter your device into the recovery mode again by pressing volume up key plus home key. By holding both keys similarly, turn on your device. Okay guys, you have successfully entered in the clock mode recovery again. First, I will show you how to use this clock mode recovery. To scroll down or up, use your volume rocker keys. To select any option from this menu, just press the home key or power key. So right now, first select the wipe data factory set. Then select delete, delete all this data. Then select the wipe cache partition. Then select as wipe cache. Then go to the advanced menu and select the wipe data cache. Then select as wipe download cache. Now select go back. Then select install it from SD card right here. Then select choose it from SD card. And now open the folder that we have created in the PC, the CM10. Now select the CM10 file, the first file on there. This is a .zip and its first name is CM10. Okay guys, Okay guys, so after installing the CM10, you will get rebooted in this new recovery, this Clockwork Recovery 6. And to use this recovery, to scroll down up, use your volume rocker keys. To select any option from this menu, just press the home key or power key. So first go to the install zip from SD card again. Then select the choose zip from SD card again, right here. Just zoom in on there. And open the folder that we have created in the PC called CM10. And now select the gapps.jb file, jb-file.zip, the second file. Then select as install gapps.jb. Okay guys, after completing this installation, just select the go back, then select the wipe data factory set, then select as delete all this data. Okay guys, just select the reboot system now, and you have done. So guys, after the rebooting your device, you have successfully installed the Android 4.1.1 Jellybean system on your Samsung Galaxy S GT-I9000. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, and please share this video.